In this video, we are going to discuss how to calculate year, month and days based on the date of birth, for which I have given some of the names and date of birth of it. We just apply formula now, click equal, then type the formula dated if, open parenthesis, then give the reference date of birth, that is D5, click comma, then say today, open and close, then mention whether you need year, within double quote give us a y mention the year, then close the open bracket. Now we'll get the year. Then the same formula we are going to apply for month. Again equal, type dated if, open parenthesis, apply the data, then comma, mention the day, open parenthesis and close it, and comma. Now we are going to get the number of months. Within double quoted we just mention M and close it. Now we are going to get only the number of months from today. If you want only the number of months, you can mention as a M. Otherwise, number of years, number of months and number of days. If you want edit the formula, you just mention year after month, which means year will come as a separate cell and month will come in a separate cell. Now you just see 41 years, 9 months. Then the same formula we are going to apply to calculate the days. Dated if, then date of birth, today, open and close, then within double quoted month after day. You just mention month after day within double quote, then close the formula. You will get 41 years, 9 months and 5 days. The same formula you are going to apply for all other cells. You just click and drag it down or use the Ctrl D button. The same way we can get it. If you want year after month, you use this, or else if you want the total month, you just mention as a empty M. The same way for days also, if you remove the month, you will get the number of days. If you wanted month after day, you just mention as a M and D within double quote.